theme of IDOD is success. And when we were discussing this, we came upon this idea, why do we have to even look beyond our own colleagues? You know, they have done such pioneering work in the field of disability. They are such an integral part of our journey, and they're so talented. So therefore, we decided to show them as our stars, our celebrities. Our 4 identified achievers, as Dr. Allure has already mentioned, are Dr. Professor Ketna Mehta, Ms. Malini Chip, Professor Dr. Sam Tarapurwala, and Dr. Satendra Singh. It was also then that PhotoQuip partnered with us and identified 4 very well-known commercial photographers to showcase their success. I request you to stand wherever you are. Mr. Ronnie Sequeira, Ms. Bhargavi Joshi, Mr. Shashi Nair, and Mr. Mahesh Hiremath. Thank you so much. Before I proceed further, I would like to call on Ms. Pallavi Kundar, Marketing Manager, PhotoQuip, to say a few words about it to our audience. Pallavi?
A very good evening, everyone. With a legacy span over 6 decades, PhotoQuip has pioneered the manufacturing and distributing of photography lighting equipment in India. Our products have been used by most of the eminent photographers today, and most of the professional photographers trust our products and service. Today, we are proud to celebrate the 60 years of success with the 4 achievers who actually represent our brand. We could not do this without ADAPT. I mean, they have been fighting for disability past more than 45 years now. And when I met Dr. Allure and discussed this idea, she not only supported us with the venue and the staff, but she also introduced us with the 4 achievers. And these 4 achievers are, I would say, it's not that they accomplished and, they fought everything and they overcame their hurdles, but they have given back to the community. They are now actually helping people to overcome their hurdles and also achieve their dreams. So very big thank you to Dr. Allure, Arundhati, the whole team of ADAPT, and obviously the 4 achievers. Thank you so much, Dr. Ketna, Ms. Malini, Dr. Satendra Singh, and Sam. I would also like to thank the 4 photographers who actually, it was just one call and I told them about this campaign and they said yes. Trust me, it's not that easy. But they were on board, so thank you everyone. Thanks Ronnie, Bhargavi, Shashi, and Mahesh for being here. This photo shoot is a small step from PhotoQuip to actually spread awareness, yes, to spread awareness about disability, but also to change the way we approach disability and to appreciate the strength, the passion these people with disabilities have achieved. So I would truly say they are achievers and not call them a people with disabilities or specially abled or whatever terms we coin, but they are the achievers. So thank you so much. Thanks everyone for being part of this campaign.
Thank you, Pallavi. That was well put together. We now have a short AV which captures the behind-the-scene moments of our photo shoot.
Dr. Ketna Mehta. I'm the founder trustee of NEENA Foundation, an NGO for rehabilitation of friends with spinal cord injury. I am the editor of One World, the only publication for spinal cord injury in India. I am also the author of a book, Nano Thoughts on Management.
Hi, I'm Bhargavi. I'm a photographer. The theme of the series is it's happy, it's celebrating their accomplishments, but I think at the same time we need to not forget their struggles. PhotoQuip has collaborated with this amazing organization called ADAPT that has been fighting for disability rights for more than 40 years.
I am Dr. Satendra Singh. I am faculty at University College of Medical Sciences and GTB Hospital in Delhi. I contracted polio at the age of 9 months, so I have a physical disability which is post-polio residual paralysis in the medical parlance. I was able to influence policy in the new Medical Council of India's curriculum for medical students. So we were able to put disability competencies, which are in a way the minimum things which a MBBS graduate must know. And I would like to thank ADAPT and PhotoKIP for this beautiful way and journey to encapture our lives and giving voices to the voices which are usually not heard.
Hi, I'm Mahesh Hiremat and I've been a commercial photographer since 1990. And I read about ADAPT, the kind of great work they're doing at every level, at macro level and at the micro level, helping the parents out. That got me interested. I said I should give it a shot and, see what the photographers' talent at a shot, and people here from ADAPT will be very, very helpful.
I want to mother. I am Bombay out. I am author. One book called One is the Winner. I am trying. I am meeting people. I am linked.
I'm Ronnie Sequeira, been a photographer for the last 20 odd years. First of all, thank you PhotoQuip and ADAPT for giving us this opportunity to shoot these wonderful people. By shooting them, I'm hoping that we've built a bit of awareness. We've heard about people with disabilities, it's just that people don't talk enough about it. And we all have had friends, family, or someone close to us with a certain disability. I think it's important that we talk about it and people are aware about it.
I'm Sam Taraporwala. With my blindness, a lot of people advised my parents they should go to a special school. Thank God they said no. With blindness, if a child goes to a special school, are they going to have to go to a special college and to a special job, or are they going to be part of society? And hence they said we'd rather have our child be educated as part of the mainstream. In my career, I think I've done reasonably well, having topped the university for my masters. I joined St. Xavier's College as a professor at a time when there was no reservation. I had to get in on merit. I handle the headship of the Department of Sociology and Anthropology. I got involved in setting up a resource center for the blind. It's called the Xavier's Resource Center for the Visually Challenged, XRCVC for short.
Shashi Nair, advertising photographer from Mumbai. It was quite exciting when PhotoQuip approached me, when Elinchrom approached me to do this wonderful assignment. These achievers are beyond my comprehension, because the way they have fought through and achieved these levels of achievement is incredible. And every time I got into interacting with them, it has always amazed me, surprised me with the amount of faith and energy they always carried with themselves to achieve these levels of success.
I would like to make a special mention of Mr. Oshim Sinha. Thank you so much he's over here with us, and on a very short notice, he has helped edit this video for us. Mr. Oshim Sinha has worked very closely with Mr. Shyam Benegal. Thank you so much, Mr. Sinha. I would now like to acknowledge the PhotoQuip team, and they're all over here in their own strength. Mr. Pulin Soni, Mr. Mahesh Nair, Ms. Pallavi Kundar. Can you please stand up? We would like to say a small thank you from our end for the big work that you have done. Thank you so much.